Hello my friends, Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. I'm very excited about these next couple of videos. I'm going to share with all of y'all some recipes inspired by my idol, Kardea Brown. And Kardea, she's a Southern diva and make great Southern soul food recipes, and she's of Gullah Geechee descent of Charleston, South Carolina. And she has a cooking show called Delicious Miss Brown. Check her out on Sundays, 12 p.m. Eastern on the Food Network. Well, for the first recipe, I'm going to share with all of you a classic Southern custard pie, but with a twist. We're going to make lemon buttermilk pie, but we're going to add my spin and twist to it. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. TheBomb.com delicious, full of lemon goodness, and the best part, no mixer required. And if y'all fan of lemon desserts, y'all gonna love this pie. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my pie recipes playlist and my previous video, Hot Cocoa Bombs. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your pie crust, your buttermilk, and get those lemons squeezed in sugar, because we're about to bake some lemon buttermilk pie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl, I have 1.5 cups of white sugar. And in 2 hours sugar, we're going to add in 1 1/4 cups of buttermilk at room temperature. 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled. 4 extra large eggs at room temperature. And 1 extra large egg yolk at room temperature. 1 tablespoon of lemon zest and 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And here's my own little twist. Kardea didn't add this, but I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure lemon extract to give it a little extra lemony flavor. And we're going to whisk all these together until they're well incorporated. Make sure we break up the eggs. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish mixing my filling, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up the filling, and there's one more ingredient we're going to add to it. Over here on my plate, I have 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And I have my sifter. We're going to add the flour. And we're going to sift this in. Otherwise, if you pour the flour in, you'll have a lumpy filling. We're going to whisk the flour in until it's well incorporated. All right, my friends, and just that quickly, our filling is complete. Nice and smooth. Smells good. Nothing like the smell of lemon. Kardea, hope I'm making you proud, girlfriend. Alrighty, now we're ready to pour it into the pie crust. We're going to pour it in a 9-inch pie shell. And I'm using a deep dish pie crust. That's all I had on hand. But I have a recipe for a homemade pie crust, and I'll post a link to that down below in the description box, or you can use a refrigerated pie crust. And make sure it's thawed out. Alrighty, now ready to put this pie in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 1 hour. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, there you have it. Lemon buttermilk pie. Don't that look good? It smells amazing. And the crust is nice and golden brown. So now we're going to let the pie cool completely. And then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, don't that look good? And I garnish it with some whipped cream and a lemon wedge. Cousin Kardea, time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. The filling's nice and creamy, lemony, and the crust is perfectly cooked. Cousin Kardea, this is spectacular. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Now, grab me a little whipped cream. Yum, oh. Lemon buttermilk pie, delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.